Sa lahat po ng nandito sa ating pick-up center, hello po sa inyong lahat. And of course, sa atin pong mga viewers online na kasama po nating natututo ngayong hapon. Maraming salamat po sa pagdating sa ating pick-up center. My name is Jane Manurinya. I'm a Diamond Master and Center Head from Muntinlupa Chongchun Center. Okay, so I met Atomy year 2017 through my elementary teacher. Ayan. So can you just imagine? So if you're a teacher, isipin mo na balikan mo na lahat ng mga naging estudyante mo and make sure na ma-share mo si Atomy sa kanila. So this elementary school teacher of mine, kaya niya shinare si Atomy sa akin kasi concerned siya. Ganyan ang Pinoy, di ba? Concerned. Diba, laging may unsolicited advice. We're always trying to solve problems, offer solutions. Diba? So I believe, karamihan po sa atin ay ganoong nagsimula na mahalin at tangkilikin ang Atomy. There is this one person na nilapitan ka, concerned sa'yo, maybe to achieve or maintain health and beauty, but I believe na dapat po nating pasalamatan yung taong yon na nagpakilala sa atin ng Atomy. Tama po ba? So this is our opportunity na palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sponsors. Because we are all blessed to become Atomians. Are you blessed to be an Atomian? Yes, of course. All right. So today, I am tasked na mag-share po sa inyo about the key benefits of some of the featured products that we have here in Atomy. So remember that Atomy, as an online shopping mall platform, it aims to become the leading global distribution hub. So trending na po ito ngayon. It's already a trend. Why? Because a lot of people, even po yung mga senior citizens natin, they're already confident, di ba? And comfortable in using yung atin pong mobile app. Mahilig na po silang mag-add to cart. Hindi lang nila chine-check out. No? Ayan. So yun yung next step. Pag-add to cart, syempre i-check out din po natin. So why online shopping mall platform ay talagang patok nowadays? Number one, it's very convenient to use. Diba? We have power right on our fingertips. Diba? Convenient. It's hindi mo na kailangang lumabas, mamasahe, maggasolina, sumuong sa traffic para pumunta sa mga grocery stores. Nag-a-add to cart na lang po tayo and hinihintay na lang natin yung delivery. Diba? Kasi pag lalabas ka, kasama mo pa yung mga anak mo, so ilan kayong kakain, diba? So mas malaki yung gastos, diba? Number two is brand confidence. Most especially if you're using the Atomy online shopping mall app. Kasi hindi mo na kailangang mangamba, diba? Hindi ka na magko-compare ng mga sellers or magbabasa ng mga reviews. Because if it's an Atomy brand, definitely maganda yung quality ng product. And then, we have access to global products. Diba? So, salamat sa GSGS system, diba? We are able to enjoy high-quality products na pinagpipitagan ng ibang mga bansa na hindi pa po available dito. And lastly is, we are going above and beyond customer satisfaction. Sige, tanungin ko kayo, are you a satisfied customer in Atomy? Yes, but there is an added value in becoming an Atomian because we can become consumer earners. Hindi lang po yan nagtatapos sa pagiging consumer. Pwede ko po bang makita muli yung mga first-time attendees natin? Can you raise your hands? Ayan, thank you po. Pwede nyo na pong ibaba. Welcome to Atomy. This is the best choice. Diba? Na inyo pong pinili na kaladkad kayo dito sa pick-up center. Or kung isinako kayo ng sponsor ninyo, still, we are blessed. Alright, so, kailangan, as Atomians, alam po natin ang ating mga ID number. Okay? Lalo na yung mga nagtaas ng kamay kanina, yung ating mga new members. Yan. So, dapat alam mo yung ID number mo, you also know your password, and syempre, nakapag-download ka na ng Atomy mobile app. Diba? Kasi what use is your ID number, diba? Your membership if you're not going to log in. Kailangan mong bumili ng mga products sa ating online shopping mall kasi yun po yung inyong gagamitin. You use the product and then you share the benefits. Kasi in Atomy, hindi mo naman kailangang magbenta-benta. Diba? Ang laki nung pag-agree ni ma'am. You don't have to sell, you just have to share the benefits. Okay? So, as a business, kasi magiging consumer earner ka para mag-transition ka doon from consumer to a consumer earner, kailangan is alam po natin also yung mga products. Mas may conviction pag tinry mong gamitin. And as a business, this Atomy business will penetrate 100% of the market because we offer a wide variety of product categories. Hindi lang po tayo nakafocus sa skincare, we also offer supplements, home products, food products, and many more. Okay. When it's Atomy, lagi po nating maririnig na Atomy products are of high quality, absolute quality with absolute price. Meaning, mataas ang kalidad with the lowest price possible. Quality pang Glorieta nga raw po, pero presyong pang Divisoria. Who believes that? Diba? Lahat po tayo, ganyan po tayo ka-blessed sa Atomy. Okay, so today, we are going to focus more on beauty and health. So we will be discussing two products that I love. That's the Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set and the Atomy Inner Collagen. So sinong gustong maging maganda na? Healthy pa? Taas ang kamay. Yes, of course, all of us. Yan. So siguro po, yung mga nandito sa atin, di ba, they are wondering, maganda ba talaga yung product na yan? Diba, matagal ng member, hindi pa na-try, kailangan i-convince mo na yung sarili mo. Or maybe you are that person who is having challenges, diba, in product movement of these products. Yan, so ngayon nyo po yan matututunan. Ganyan po kaganda ang system ni Atomy. Kasi paano mo gagawin ang negosyo na hindi mo pinag-aaralan? So are you excited to learn, Atomians? Yes, okay, so let's get started. So we have the Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare. Sino pong nakapag-try na nito again? Raise your hands. Madami. Ayan. So yung katabi nung nagtaas ng kamay, can you check their beauty? Pag hindi mo pa nakikita yung beauty, hinanap mo pa, ibig sabihin, kaka-start lang niyang gumamit. Kayo naman. Ayan. So, gamit pa, no? Kailangan religiously. Kasi mamaya 1 week ka lang gumamit, ay parang wala namang nangyayari. Ayan. So wala pong ganon. It's a process, hindi po yan milagro. Okay, so question, Atomians. Ang Atomy Absolute Cell Active ba ay expensive or mura? Expensive o barato? Ayan. So taas ang kamay ng nagsasabing expensive ang Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. Ayan. Natakot taas ng kamay. Hindi ikaw yung katabi mo. Ayan. Sino nagsasabing mura ang Atomy Absolute? Talaga? Sige nga. Ayan. Yung katabi, nung nagtaas ng kamay, alam nyo na. Sino po dito yung kahit na anong sabihin ko hindi magtataas ng kamay? Ayan, tayo Ayan. So, yun pong sagot natin doon sa tanong ko. Ayan. So, doon po sa mga online viewers natin, no, let me know what you think. Si Atomy Absolute Cell Active ba ay mura or expensive? Okay. So, kailangan po nating malaman bakit ba maganda ang skincare set na ito? What sets it apart? Actually, hindi mo na kailangan ng comparison because this skincare set is the best. The best out there. Hindi mo siya kailangang i-compare. Nothing will compare, kumbaga. Sabi dito, absolute skincare. Yan, o, balikan natin. Ang sabi po dito, stop the time of your skin. Pipigilan niya ang pagtanda ng iyong balat. Mahal o mura? Mura. Ayan. Grabe si Sir SP. Dinig na dinig ko. Diba? It's literally de-aging. Diba? Yan. So, absolute skincare, absolute meaning totally. Total skincare. Okay. So ano po ba ang mga signs of aging, 'di ba? This is something that we cannot stop. Kumbaga it's inevitable, 'di ba? So it could be melasma, fine lines surrounding the eye area, also known as crow's feet. Ayan, nagtanggal na ng salamin yung iba kasi nag-check. And then, 'di ba, we have enlarged pores, sagging skin, laylay na ang balat. We have dark spots. Yan. So ito pong mga manifestations na ito of skin aging ay hindi po natin mapipigilan bagkus ito po ay ating mamamanage or we can prevent this. So what does it take to have a beautiful, healthy skin? What makes the skin beautiful? Diba? The answer is the radiance from the vitality of the skin. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng vitality? Vitality, ibig sabihin po, ang ating skin, it has adequate nourishment that will ensure skin cell regeneration. If the skin is healthy, then the skin will be radiant and you will be glowing. So what can we do? Diba? Kasi kung hindi healthy choices ang ginagawa natin, everyday healthy food choices, we are constantly being exposed to a lot of factors that affect or increase skin aging, then ang magagawa lamang po natin is what we can control. And that is to develop a proper skincare routine. There are a lot of many products or skincare products out there na sinasabi meron daw silang active ingredients. Of course, Atomy also boasts about effective active ingredients. Pero kung dun lang tayo naka-focus, hindi na natin tatawaging absolute. Bagkus ang atin pong mga scientists, they are restless, continuously improving and innovating our products that we can enjoy. And that is the reason kung bakit na ipanganak ang Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. This is a result of many years of research on the existing 4 technologies ng ating Skincare 6 set system. Okay, so ito po ay merong science behind it, derma science. So yan po yung ating pag-aaralan this afternoon. So Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set, this is our de-aging product. Yan po sa mga new members po natin ha. Di ba naririnig po ninyo anti-aging? Pero mas powerful ang de-aging na sa Atomy lang meron. Bakit? Kasi it will stop the clock of your skin. Mas maganda at mas mabilis ang pagka-recover ng ating balat. It will lighten dark spots and melasma, and it will diminish fine lines, and yung mga malalalim na wrinkles, kaya niya pang pababawin. Kaya humarap po kayo sa katabi po ninyo at sabihin ninyong may pag-asa pa. Yes, di ba? Okay, so ano ba yung triple crown? Yung katabi parang, sigurado ka ba? Ayan, diba? May pag-asa pa. It's because if you use the Atomy Cell Active Skincare Set, you are sure that you are using top quality products. Triple Crown is not a joke. This is a big deal, lalo na sa cosmetics industry. This skincare set was awarded or certified NEP, New Excellent Product. Ito po ay ina-award sa mga products that are developed using the newest technology in the nation. So in Korea, the newest technology, yan po ang ginamit sa ating Absolute Cell Active Set. It was also certified and awarded the IR52 Jang Yong-shil Award. Sino ba si Jang Yong-shil? It's a great scientist and inventor. IR52, this is innovative research, 52 for 52 weeks in 1 year. So one product was awarded every week. So ganyan po kalupit si Atomy Absolute Cell Active. And this award actually motivates yun pong mga research and development na mga R&D departments sa mga companies para talagang merong technologically innovative research sa products. And number 3 is the King Sejong Award, Sejong the Great Award. So ito po, big deal din po ito because this is a patented nanotechnology, and ang mas malupit pa po doon is this is awarded first time in the cosmetics industry. Kaya po, pag ginamit natin ang Absolute Cell Active, talaga pong makikita ninyo ang dramatic and significant changes. Mas lalong gaganda at lalong babata ang ating skin. Ayan. So let's talk about the technologies used in this skincare set. Bakit siya the best? Bakit siya na-awardan ng Triple Crown? So remember, we have an existing 4 technologies in the skincare 6 set, if you can remember that. The first one is the high purification technology, and this technology is thanks to Keri. Ibig sabihin po, ini-eliminate po nito yung mga toxins, unwanted odors, colors, kaya po napakaganda ng pag-extract po ng active ingredients sa ating skincare set. The second one is the fresh herb extraction biotechnology, and this one is thanks to Colmar. Ibig sabihin, yun pong mga ingredients po natin, herbs, plants, and the flowers, they are picked, pinitas, extracted, and processed the same day to ensure freshness. The third one is the fermentation technology because Atomy uses fermented brown rice extract. Ito po ay nakakatulong para sa skin absorption. And the last one is the multi-liquid crystal capsule technology na in-upgrade po yan na multi-capsulation system para po talagang mas maganda yung delivery ng mga active ingredients at pumasok po talaga right where our skin needs it. Yan. So knowing Atomy, hindi siya nakontento dito sa 4 technologies na to, bagkus nagdagdag pa siya ng 2 para dito sa Atomy Absolute Cell Active Set. So ano yung 2 technology na dinagdag niya? Number 1 is the material technology, also known as the Absolute Code. And then the second one is the delivery absolute technology. Okay, so let's first talk about the material technology or the absolute code. Okay, so remember, dito po kasi, gumamit po tayo ng mga gifts from Mother Nature. Doon po sa multi-complex na absolute code, meron po yung 4 na technology. Ang daming technology, di ba? Okay, so the first one is the high purification botanical EGF, wherein yun atin pong mga herbs, plants, and flowers, they are ratioed out to provide us with the optimal skincare effect. And dahil nga po merong EGF, that is epidermal growth factor, this one will stimulate cell growth or cell regeneration. Tandaan po natin, habang nagkakaedad po tayo, we lose that ability. 'Di ba? Hindi po natin yan mapipigilan kasi it's inevitable. But still, because of this high purity EGF, mas nagiging promoted po sa ating skin yung skin cell regeneration. The second technology is the Dormin technology. So you can see that flower, it's a daffodil. So in Dormin technology, this is the secret for stopping the time of the clock of our skin. And then next is the third one. We have the lupin peptide. So this one, it protects the DEJ. So ano naman yung DEJ? So this is the dermal epidermal junction. Ang DEJ po, ito yung junction sa pagitan ng dermis and epidermis, and this is the foundation of skin elasticity. And the last technology is the Yosemite ferment lysate filtrate. So ito naman po, so this skin protective substance ay natuklasan po ng ating mga tireless scientists sa isang puno. Anong puno yon? It's a 100-year-old metasequoia tree na natagpuan nila sa Yosemite National Park sa San Francisco, California. Imaginein po ninyo yun. Hinanap po talaga at natagpuan ito ng ating mga scientists. At ito pong substance na ito na nakita dun sa 100-year-old metasequoia tree, this contains the secret of longevity DNA. Kaya po talagang amazing ang ating Atomy Cell Active Skincare Set. Now, again, itong mga ingredients na to na bumubuo ng ating Absolute Cell Active Coat, this is a gift from wild nature, and if you combine this with our technology, ayan, it will bring us these 3 benefits. The all might, the brightening, and the lifting. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pagtanggal ng kulubot, pampaputi ng balat, at pag-lift ng mga saging skin. Ganyan ka-powerful. Now, since we already have the code, the material code, the question is, paano natin ito ma-enjoy? Paano ma-utilize ito ng ating skin, ng ating katawan? 'Di ba? Kasi kahit gaano kamahal yung ginagamit nating creams, 'di ba, or skincare products, kung hindi ito maa-absorb ng iyong skin, 'di ba, it's useless. Ibig sabihin, you're just wasting your money. Pero ayaw ni Atomy ng ganon, kasi nga absolute. So that's why we have the delivery technology. So in our delivery technology, yun pong absolute code, this one, gumamit sila ng smart encapsulation technology. Para po, it will accurately target skin trouble areas. Yan po nakikita ninyo yung ating absolute code, and then the ligand, didikit po siya kaagad sa skin receptors, and kung saan nangangailangan ng tulong yung ating balat, nandun yung dark spot, nandun yung nasira na yung collagen bridges and collagen matrix, doon siya directly pupunta. Kaya po siya tinawag na smart encapsulation technology. That's how smart the technology na meron sa ating Atomy Cell Active Skincare Set. Ayan. On top of those technologies, kasi nga, si Atomy, pag gumagawa siya ng product, yung benefits na ibinibigay niya sa mga members, siksik-liglig umaapaw. 'Di ba? Going above and beyond. So, ang ating company ay gumamit po ng green tea essential water as the base dito po sa ating skincare set. And ito pong green tea essential water, di ba? It sounds so fancy. Ito po ay naglalaman ng tocopherol, which is a very good and powerful antioxidant, and also the catechin that prevents skin damage. And on top of that, napakabango po ng ating skincare set. It has that voluptuous, mysterious, and calming scent. Di ba? Ang amoy niya ay parang sampagita, di ba? Kaamoy siya ng jasmine, yan. Pero pag tinanong kayo, sabihin niyo tuberose. Yan, para shala, 'di ba? Yan, so voluptuous, mysterious scent, 'di ba? Parang timeless beauty ang makukuha natin. So there are 6 items in the set. So we will talk dito sa bawat isa na ito. And I highly encourage if you use the set na sa sunod-sunod po. Pagkakasunod-sunod ninyo siya i-apply, 'di ba? I think this is because of the viscosity of the products para mas ma-maximize natin yung absorption sa ating skin. So, ano yung mga i-apply natin? 'Di ba, in the Philippines, it's a little humid, ngayon mainit. So, pwede ba yung gapitin sa morning, sa evening? Yes. But yung mga thick na creams, you can spare it sa morning, just use it at night. Okay? So the first one that you should apply is the Absolute Toner. Hindi mo na kailangan ng bulak. 'Di ba? Just pump 2 to 3 times sa palm nyo, and then ipat or itap-tap nyo lang po sa inyong skin. So the Absolute Toner, this one is responsible for the Absolute Code brightening. Ibig sabihin, it can lighten your complexion. And this toner will also prepare your skin for the next product na i-a-apply mo. The second product that you should apply is the Atomy Absolute Ampoule. Okay? This one is the most potent among the set. It contains 30% Absolute Code All Might. So when it comes to malalalim na kulubot, fine wrinkles, and melasma, it has that powerful de-aging, wrinkle-reducing, and whitening effect. And then we also have the Absolute Serum. Iniisip na nila, okay, so ito lang yung bibilhin ko. Ito lang. Ayan. Also, the ampoule is called the Magic Blue Bottle. The third one is the Absolute Serum. So this one is also responsible for the Code All Might. So this one is responsible for the inner skin elasticity. For outer skin elasticity, it's the Absolute Lotion, okay? Because it takes care of the water and oil balance in our skin. And then one of the favorites dito sa ating set is the eye complex. Lalo na yung mga may eye bag, eye maleta, 'di ba? Kasi yung skin natin in the surrounding our eye areas, it's very thin and delicate. Ayan. So 'di ba? nakaka-develop tayo ng mga fine lines. Sige, harap kayo sa katabi ninyo, pangitiin ninyo, tapos makikita niyo yung mga linya dito sa gilid. Ayan. So we cannot, 'di ba? We cannot do anything about it. Talagang lalabas 'yon. Pero magandang gamitin yung eye complex po natin. And what else? Sige, tingnan mo yung katabi ko mo kung nagsasag na, naglalaylay na yung skin dito sa eye area. So sabihin mo sa kanila, gamit ka ng Absolute Eye Complex. Yan. And then, the last cream that you would apply is the nutrition cream. This one is responsible for lifting. Ayan, sa pag-lift ng ating mga sagging skin, most especially sa ating neck area. So one thing that you should also take care of is your neck and décolletage area kasi nagde-develop tayo ng neck bands. Diba? So ilang linya na ba yan meron dyan? Ayan, so napahawak kayo, no? Yan. So ito po yung makakatulong, the nutrition cream. Yan. So these are the absolute zone care for our face. Again, include your neck and your décolletage area. Okay, so bakit po ba tayo nakaka-develop ng mga fine lines? Of course, because of aging and also yung mga facial movements natin, lagi tayong nakasmile, madaldal tayo. So kailangan ba hindi na tayong ngingiti at magsasalita, I am happy. Hindi po, di ba? Kailangan sipagan natin ng pag-i-skincare at paggamit ng Absolute Cell Active. Isa din po sa na-enjoy ko dito sa product na ito. Kasi na-mention ko, di ba, I have acne problem. Kaya po ako nilapitan ng aking elementary school teacher. Ayan. So I have cystic acne. And what I noticed is, nung gumamit ako ng Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set, nagkaroon ako ng skin purging. So nadagdagan yung pimples ko. Ayan. So ngayon, pag nakaka-experience tayo ng skin purging, normally, we are leaning towards stopping the product, stopping the usage of the product, di ba? Hala, dumami lalo yung pimples ko. It's my 3rd day of using this product. Ayoko na. Hiyang-hiyangan to. Hindi po yan totoo. Ibig sabihin po, the product is working its wonders. Di ba? It will first take out the gunk in your skin, di ba? Making it worse before making it beautiful or making it better. Okay? So yan po yung skin problem ko before. Pero in a span of siguro mga 2 months, religiously using this product, is talaga pong nag-heal and nang-glighten. Of course, hindi lang ito yung gagamitin ninyong product in Atomy kasi kailangan mo munang mag-cleansing. So you use the evening care set together with the Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. Worth it naman, di ba, kapag sinisipagan mo. Kasi kung hindi ko po ginawa yan, maybe until now, yan pa rin po ang problem ko. So okay lang po ba? Sipagan na natin ang pag-skincare? Yes. Ayan. So you don't have to worry. Kailangan mo lang i-educate yung members mo. And also yourself, you have to be aware, 'di ba, na it's a normal process. You have to trust the process. Yung ibang tao naman, hindi sila nag-i-skin purging. Basta pag start nilang gumamit, bigla na lang silang gumanda. 'Di ba? May kilala ba kayong ganyan? Yan. So it also happens. But what you should always think and bear in mind is you have to have that confidence in the product kasi meron tayong mga certifications and awards. Diba? At isa po dyan, itong Germany Dermatest. This one is 5-star guarantee and labeled excellent. Again, that is by Germany Dermatest. So this Dermatest, it also makes us confident kasi this is tested for the quality and also the efficacy and the tolerance of the product. Ibig sabihin, napaka-safe gamitin ng ating Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. And of course, it's certified by the Korea Dermatology Research Institute. Ayan. So, kaya po, I encourage everyone to use this product as a set. Not because I'm trying to sell you the product, but because I'm educating you na each item doon sa ating set ay may iba-iba pong tinutulong sa ating skin. So if you want a more beautiful skin, kailangan mag-commit ka at least man lang 1 month. Imposibleng wala kang makitang changes. Okay ba yon, Atomians? Yes, okay. So next is, of course, hindi lang natin pangangalagaan ang ating panglabas na kagandahan. So we don't only have to be aesthetically beauty, beautiful, but we also have to be beautiful and healthy within. And that is where Atomy Inner Collagen comes in. Sino na po ang nakapag-try ng Atomy Inner Collagen? Wow, madami na. Ayan. So, napakaganda po ng ating product na ito. So, this one, meron po tayong 14 bottles sa isang box. So, it's good for 2 weeks. You can take 1 bottles bago ka matulog kasi mas maganda yung effect niya if you're taking it at night. Ayan. So, what exactly is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant structural protein in our body. Actually, it's 30% of our body, collagen. This is the building blocks of our skin, our muscles, tendons, ligaments, and other connective tissues. Okay? In fact, 90% of our dermal layer ng ating skin yan is made up of collagen. Kaya lang habang nagkakaedad po tayo, nagbe-breakdown po ang collagen na ito at hindi na po natin ito mas maganda at mas mabilis na nare-reproduce at nare-replenish. Actually, pag nagtungtong ka na ng 20s, nag-i-start na po ang pag-decline ng collagen levels. Lalo na if you are exposed to pollution, kulang ka sa tulog, ayan. And also, you are always doing like high-intensity exercises, so collagen will also deplete. So, there are many collagen out there in the market. May tablet, may powder, siguro naka-encounter na kayo. But the best and most effective type of collagen is the liquid form, especially the Atomy Inner Collagen because this one is hydrolyzed marine peptide collagen. Bakit marine peptide? We will learn more on that. So sabi po dito, ang atin pong inner collagen is made from 100% fish scales. Yan po ang pinakamaganda at pinaka-effective. So I hope sa susunod na seminar, hindi naman po ako makakakita sa likod ng ngumangata ng kaliskis ng isda. Ano ay sabi ni Miss Jane, madami daw collagen sa fish scales. Yan, di ba? So mag-Atomy Inner Collagen ka na lang. Di ba? Kasi po, yun pong molecular structure ng fish scales, it is very similar with the skin structure of human beings. Okay? Alright, so it says here that the fish collagen, ayan, very similar, and napakaliit po ng kanyang molecular structure. It's only 512 Dalton. Ibig sabihin, talagang maa-absorb at magagamit siya kaagad ng ating skin. There's a test in Korea wherein they use the fish collagen peptide to 79 sa 79 na healthy Korean women na merong dry skin and they are aged 30 to 60 years old to check kung talagang mag-i-improve ang kanilang skin conditions. Ayan. And they were able to notice significant changes when it comes to the appearance of wrinkles in the eye area, the skin elasticity, and also the moisture of the skin. Ibig sabihin, very effective siya. Ayan. So, to make the long story short, ayan, so meron tayong mga table dito. This is also available and you can download this from CH Atomy under resources. Ayan, but the scientists, they use a lot of tools katulad ng visiometer, cutometer, corneometer, tewometer para ma-measure ang elasticity, moisture retention, dun sa skin ng mga tinest nilang Korean women. And ibig sabihin po nun, itong Atomy Inner Collagen will really make us beautiful, youthful, and healthier. Kaya po, wag po ninyong hinayangan. Diba? Magkano lang per bottle nun papatak? 150 pesos. Mas magiging maganda ka na, magiging healthy ka pa. For 150 pesos, di ba? Ayusin natin yung mga desisyon natin sa buhay, Atomians, ha? Ayan. So, ito pong ating mga scientists, again, hindi sila nakontento na fish collagen peptide lang yung ilalagay nila sa ating collagen. So what they did is nagdagdag pa sila ng other sub-ingredients. We have the hyaluronic acid, ayan, that is responsible po sa suppleness ng ating skin. We have elastin para ma-improve po yung pag-stretch and recoil ng ating skin. The ceramide, which is responsible for moisture retention and also prevents the entry of germs in our skin. And the best ingredient of all is the vitamin C. So if you're taking inner collagen, mas maganda yung nagiging effect pag sinasabayan mo siya ng vitamin C. Because vitamin C is responsible for the healing process of the body. Ang vitamin C po ay responsible para mag-form siya ng mga blood vessels and also sa ating bone matrix, lalong-lalo na po sa mga kababaihan natin who are already menopause kasi nagiging brittle na ang kanilang bones. So you have to take Atomy Inner Collagen. Ayan. So again, magandang isabay siya with the vitamin C. So ganyan po talaga sa Atomy. Nagiging consumer ka lang, you love taking the products, you're enjoying the benefits of the products, gumaganda ka na, bumabata ka pa, nagiging healthy ka pa, mas nagiging marites ka pa kasi share ka ng share, Atomy, 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 nagbenta ka ba? No! But you will earn commission and cashback because of the unique system in Atomy. So I hope later po is mas makinig pa po kayong mabuti so you can learn more how you can maximize the compensation plan in Atomy. And ito po, to close my lecture, dun po sa mga new attendees natin, bago ninyo nakilala si Atomy, regular consumer lamang po tayo. Hindi po ba? So kung iisipin mo, sa bahay ninyo, mula ulo hanggang paa, iba-ibang brand ang ginagamit mo. Kahit hindi mo nakilala si Atomy, patuloy ka pa rin magtututbrush, maliligo ka pa rin, maghuhugas ka pa rin ng plato, maglalaba ka pa rin ng damit. So what we encourage is for you to do a brand switch. Atomy is not additional expenses. You just have to switch to products that are of high quality and talagang maaasahan mo. The more you use Atomy products, the more na magiging healthy, magiging beautiful, at magiging time-rich, friend-rich ka pa. Gusto ba yun, Atomians? Yes, okay. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for listening. Once again, I'm Diamond Master Jane Manarinia, and God bless us all.
Thank you for that.